Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger and send messages problem. So the first thing you want to do is very easy to solve this problem. Go to the settings on your phone and then click on the apps manager right here. And when you go to the apps now right here on this page, you will find all the apps as you can see. Search for Messenger and click on it like this. After that, what you want to do on this page is click on this data usage option and make sure to enable all these options right here, from the mobile data to the roaming data. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again and click on this force stop right here in the top as you can see. After that, go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.